What's up, guys? Welcome back. So this morning while I'm laying in bed after I woke up, I was doing some OfferUp searching and happened to come across a slamming deal on a 4L80 transmission. I don't really need it right now, but it's such a good deal I can't pass it up. So I'm on the way to go pick it up. I'm just planning to stash this thing for a while until I put the new setup in my single cab, and then I'll go ahead and drop this in with it. What's up, guys? So we're back from picking up my new $200 4L80. Stopped to get some gas, some drinks. We're gonna hit up some of this Frankie's Pizza. Then I'll get back home and unload this. It was a pretty good deal. So I got this thing home. Pretty much I got a great deal. Found this on OfferUp. Dude was saying he wanted $250 for it, and you gotta go take it out yourself. It was sitting bolted to the engine, sitting on a pallet in his backyard. And I went over there, I offered him $200, and he even threw in the yoke because I gave him some advice about his swap. Great deal.